Welcome back to Absolutely Focused Radio, the show where healing gets real and growth is always the mission. Today's episode is a powerful one. Navigating betrayal and rebuilding trust. And we've got the full squad in the building. Daniel Nelson, your sobriety buddy, and the heart of the movement, Jane Marie, dropping the stats and facts you need to know, Chucky Chip, with tech on deck to support your transformation, and Marcus the Motivator, bringing that inspiration for the nation. Strap in, because this one's about to get real.
Family, today we're going deep. We're talking betrayal, trust, and the way your identity shifts, your growth can rattle the people around you. Because here's the truth. When you start healing, growing, becoming the version of yourself you were always meant to be, some folks won't know how to receive you. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because your evolution makes their stagnation uncomfortable. They'll treat you like your growth is a threat, like your peace is too loud, like your focus is offensive.
You nailed it, Daniel. Research shows 40 to 60% of people relapse in their first year of recovery. And one of the biggest reasons? Low self-esteem, emotional manipulation, and lack of support. People underestimate how hard it is to move forward when others constantly pull you back into who you used to be.
Let me keep it all the way real. I've been sober 6 years, and there are still folks who can't process that. They act like healing is a costume I'm wearing. They'll say things like, "You're full of it," or they'll give me backhanded props, like, "Wow, you seem better. For now, ... And listen, some of them smile in your face, but low-key, they're rooting for your downfall. You gotta stay sharp. Pay attention to who's clapping when you win, and who's just waiting for you to fall.
And that's where tech on deck becomes your best friend, if you use it with intention. There are apps that help you track your triggers, journal your wins, stay accountable. Tech can be your tool for growth, or your trap for comparison. So don't use your phone to spy, stalk, or scroll in someone else's lane. Use it to stay grounded in yours.
That's the word right there. See, trust, whether in others or yourself, is like a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it becomes. And betrayal, yeah, it hurts. But healing from it, that's strength training for your soul. You are not who you were. You are not your past. You are becoming. And that deserves to be honored.
Let's take it a step deeper. Some people will never respect you. I don't care how consistent you are. I don't care how much light you bring, how many bridges you build, how much you pour into them. They've already made up their minds about who you are, and they can't see beyond their own limitation. Even when you show up with love, speak from a healed place, and bring nothing but growth to the table. They'll still twist your words, still silence your truth, still label you based on who you used to be. But hear me loud, that's not on you. That's on the parts of them that are too afraid to change. So keep showing up, keep healing out loud, keep telling your truth, even when it shakes the room. Because the people who are meant to grow with you, they'll hear you, they'll feel you, they'll stand with you.
Affirmations from Daniel and the sobriety crew.
I am worthy of love, trust, and peace on my terms.
I use technology to elevate my purpose, not distract from it.
I am rebuilding trust within myself, one powerful step at a time.
And here's mine. I no longer explain my peace to people who profit off my chaos. Let that sit. Thank you for riding with us on Absolutely Focused Radio. This episode was a reminder. Your healing might make some people uncomfortable, but you were never called to fit in. You were called to rise. Stay focused, stay grounded, and as always, never apologize for becoming the healed version of yourself. Until next time, we out.
Up true or keep power on it, pull up what you really on. Don't say you walk it if you're amateur gone. I see from the silence, I feel what you riding. I cook my piece, my bro, with the lining.